Hey, what's up, guys? So we are about to review our AeroGarden Bounty Lord, Bounty Elite. Okay, so we started our new garden. Okay, and we planted some lettuce and some veggies in here. So for first up, in the front here, you see this is the lettuce. This is the romaine lettuce. Okay, this is the romaine. I don't know why it's brown, or maybe it's not brown. Maybe that's just the color. So excuse me. So this is the romaine. Now this is day 18. Today is November 7th. So we started this garden on October 20th. So today is day 18th. And this is what our romaine lettuce is looking like. Then we have back here, this is our dark Lola Rosa back here. And then we have back here is our arugula. Yes, the arugula is looking lovely. And so is, this is a slow pace. It's going slow, growing slow. This one is the pirate lettuce, okay? And remember, I had it right here, so I moved it because you see the romaine lettuce kind of was taken over there. So I moved it here, okay? And now this is our Swiss chard, that we have going on here. Now, remember, I did plant a bean, the bush blue bean, which I had to take out because it wasn't doing well, and I have to researching. Beans does not like to be submerged in water too long. So I'm doing today, I just started because I have a new a new hydroponic machine coming, right? And so I started with the paper towel method with putting the beans on between damp paper towel and put it in a plastic baggie and place it in a dark space. So that's what I did today. So by the time my machine comes tomorrow, and after, whenever I get ready to do that, set that one up, I can go ahead and plant those. Anyway, so let's go. So the 20th, I planted the spinach butterfly and nothing, it was moldy. I trashed it. So by day 10, it was moldy, so I trashed that one, okay? So what I did was I started on November 3rd, which is day 1. I replanted the spinach. So today is day 5, and there's nothing yet, as you can see. Let's move this out the way. There's nothing yet. So nothing yet for the spinach, cilantro, nothing yet. Okay? So still nothing yet. So everything else is looking good. And so I can't wait, because by the time the rest of our lettuce are finished, when these finish growing, I'm going to eat some of these. And by the time Swiss chard will be done matured, and I'm feeling like I want to move my tomato plant up here with the Swiss chard. I don't know yet. Haven't made up my mind. So we will see. So this is the update. Day 18 for everything else in here. And then day 5 for the spinach. All right. I'll be back for another update. Hey guys, it is harvest time, okay? We're gonna harvest some of these lettuce, okay? We're gonna do some of the romaine lettuce. We're gonna do some of the pirate lettuce is not really ready yet. The arugula is not ready yet either. And what do I call these? Oh my, the Rosa. Yeah, look at that, it's moist, sweating. sweating, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and harvest some of these. Then we're gonna go with our black seeded lettuce, okay? Black seeded Simpson lettuce. We're gonna go ahead and get some more of these going on here. All right. And I don't know. I'm thinking of trying some of the chicory. I don't know. I'm a little nervous. Y'all. A little nervous. All right. And did I show y'all there is buds? You see the buds already on the bell pepper? Oh yes, the bell pepper is doing amazing. So we're about to harvest so I can do me some tuna wraps or tuna salad. So let's get into it. Our herbs down here is looking amazing. Alright. So let's get into it, alright? We're gonna go ahead and do some harvesting. Guys, the roots are crazy, okay? But on the romaine, I'm starting to think the browning is not root rot. I'm starting to believe that the browning is actually from the food, okay, the nutrition. So anyway, you're always going to start from the bottom and, you know, start from the bottom of your leaves. I'm working with one hand, so bear with me. Ain't trying to mess up anything, okay? Okay, nice. I'm enjoying this. There's nothing like being home and just going ahead and harvesting some of your own fresh veggies, okay? And all of my plants, I am using the AeroGarden, okay, nutrition. So I'll be back. All right, y'all. So you know, we harvest some of our romaine. This is what our romaine is looking like. Looking good. Okay, our Rosa Lola. This is the Bounty, AeroGarden Bounty. Okay, and look at us back here, y'all. Okay, our pirate lettuce is sprouting. Look at our arugula back here is sprouting. Yes. So I'll be doing some of those, harvesting that for a nice salad. Here we have the spinach is doing a little something. Not sure, but it's something down there. And same, I think the cilantro is trying. Now this needs to get a little firmer to sit up for this rainbow chard. I need it to sit up firm and not lean over, so I'm gonna have to give it some help, y'all. And then here, of course, we have kale, which the kale is probably struggling, so that's what's going on with this. So yeah, that's the update once again. So this is day 23 for the lettuce and everything in this garden here. I think so, day 23, except for the spinach, guys. You know, I had to replant those So this is only day 10 for the spinach. And day 23 for the Swiss chard, the chard, rainbow chard. You see another sprouting that's coming up. Looks good, right, y'all? Right. So we'll see. I can't wait. Winter harvest is going to be great. It's going to be great.